So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the So Darn Easy Forex University. So I'm going to give you guys a case study. Most recently, you guys know who follow me, I had recently traded on the Eurozar. And I had showed you guys that I was trading on a very small account, $50 account. All right. And after 2 weeks time, I had taken that account from $50 all the way up over $300. You're talking 1,100 pips in one direction. Now let's do the math. That's a 500 to 600 pip, or that's a 500 to 600% gain in my account. So let's think about what it is that I have employed to reach that type of success. It's only a $50 account, but I only gained $300 in 2 weeks' time. That's one strategy, the perfect entry strategy, where I got in where I'm supposed to, and I follow the rules to getting in. I follow the rules to the stay in your trade strategy, and I have amassed a 500–600% gain, 1,100 pips in 2 weeks' time. So now let's think about what's really possible. Let's think about that for a second. That was only a $50 account. That was only one setup. That was only one pair. And that was using the perfect entry strategy for entry. But what if I was trading with a $500 account? I would have gained the same amount of pips, 1,100 pips. I would have gained the same amount of profit in terms of percentage, 500–600% profit. The value of the $1,000 pips would have been more monetarily. But the key is that I followed the perfect entry strategy. Okay? Not only did I follow the perfect entry strategy, I followed the money management strategy as well when it comes to my volume setting. Okay? The volume setting allowed me to gain, yes, the 1,100 pips. The volume setting allowed me to withstand any turbulence in the market, any volatility. I was able to survive the market's turbulence. But the key is, if I traded with a $500 account, if I gain 1,100 pips, if I gain a 500–600% profit, where I made $50, where I was trading with a $50 account, and I had amassed $300 with a $500 account, same setup, same 1,100 pips, the same strategy, the perfect entry strategy, the same, adherence to the volume setting based on a money management strategy, I would have gained, or I would have built my account up to $3,000. All right? We're not done yet. Think about this. That's only $500. Now let's imagine those who are able to fund their account with $500, no, $5,000. Same strategy, same setup, same money management strategy, adhering to the rules, proper volume setting. Everything's all the same. 500–600% profit, But I would have amassed or built my account up over 30,000. It's the same thing. So I want you guys to know this. When you're trading on a Forex market, if you're not following a money management strategy, if you're not trading with a strategy, a successful strategy. If you're not doing these things and being disciplined, you will continue to lose in the market. Learn to be selective with your entries, what you choose to trade on. This particular setup with the Euro-ZAR, I was very selective. I used the perfect entry strategy. I traded at the necessary volume that would allow me to, based on the setup, based on the rules that I teach my students, it allowed me to withstand the market pulling back, doing, and I was able to get in when the market was ready to take off. Boom. You can do it too.